capital preservation and taking care of business. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Tuesday, December the 30th. The year is almost over. It's almost January. In the meantime, markets are kind of mixed, a little bit to the downside. Metals are charging higher again, and there is rumor that yesterday's dramatic sell-off in the metals was based on a margin call to one of the major banks on silver. We'll see how that plays out, but it was not really a surprise that there was a pretty big sell-off. I mean, we had that straight parabolic move, which we warned about on Friday, on Sunday's Bubba's Bottom Line, and yesterday morning. So again, it wasn't a real surprise. Now the real question is, how do they act from here? But for the rest of the year, the next 2 days, I would just advise capital preservation. I wouldn't want to get too involved in these markets unless I was exiting something that I was trying to get rid of at a price, or if something that I wanted to buy got to a price I'd want to buy it. That's really all I would be doing right now. The next couple of days, it's going to be really slow. It's a ghost town, and unfortunately, the ghosts have left as well. So just be careful out there. There's not a lot to do, and it's very thin in volume. In the meantime, as I said, the equities are lower with the exception of the Russell, which is higher. The dollar is higher, which we would be long. The euro currency is lower, which we're short. Bonds and notes are both lower. Again, they're kind of mid-range right now, but I would expect the futures to go lower because I think interest rates are going higher. Bitcoin is up a little bit, but still in that same range, 84,000, 92,000. Gold is up. Silver's up sharply, but again, it traded 82 yesterday. It's 76 right now. So think about that. Platinum's up after being down 300 yesterday, and copper's up. So the metals are back on the charge higher. We'll see how it plays out from here. Grains are flat, and certainly would be looking to be a buyer. They're actually leaning a little bit to the upside. The cattle is still probably a sale here, along with hogs. Nat gas is higher, back above $4, but we expect it to go lower again with the warm winter and everything else that's going on. And crude oil is a little bit higher, but we expect it to fail from around these levels here. Like I said, in the meantime, it's just really important that you understand that the lack of opportunity and the lack of activity here, and it's sometimes markets are better to be observed than to be traded actively, and I think this is one of those times. In the meantime, don't forget about our sponsors, Trade Your Brokerage, Capital Trading Group, The Joy of Mom, and of course our high school program. And have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with the last Bubba's Daily Update of the year. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later.
Joy of Mom is a platform to connect mothers everywhere with trusted information, practical tools, and a vibrant, family-focused community.
Gold IQ Group, the smartest minds in metals, for all of your precious metals needs.
Capital Trading Group, the introducing broker for serious futures traders.
Trade Year. Options trading starting at $10 per month, flat fee.